Build your own story, be your own hero, and unfold your own myth. Hello everyone, my name is Adil Mir, born and raised in once called Heaven on Earth, Srinagar, Kashmir. I have completed my graduation BA from Kashmir University, and soon after I joined TCS, Chennai, and worked there for 4 years as process enabler. Currently, I am doing trainer certification course in Enable India, and side by side I am doing internship in Help the Blind Foundation Chennai. My hobbies are fishing, traveling, trekking and making new friends. I am happy where I am today. I aimed and I achieved. I am by heart deeply thankful to Chirantana that they gave me this type of platform, and I am able to enhance my skills in this platform. At last, I just want to say that two lines from my life which I am very which is very connected to me. It is मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को दुए में उड़ाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को दुए में उड़ाता चला गया. And at last, one more thing, that there is one of my famous poet, and I will tell two lines from his poem. It is रंज से खोगर हुआ इंसान, रंज से खोगर हुआ इंसान तो मिट जाते हैं गम, मुश्किलें मुझ पे इतनी पड़ी कि आसान हो गई. थैंक यू.